This time I printed it with a raft. Here's what a raft is. A skirt is where it goes around the outside with a couple of 3 lines of filament. About a 1/2 inch to an inch away from the print, just to make sure the extruder's extruding well, stuff like that, so you can check it to make sure the thickness is what you like. A brim is like a raft, but it just goes up barely close to the print, but it still also helps keep it to the bed. These 3 features are under bed adhesion in the software, ways to make the parts stick to your bed better. So a raft just goes completely underneath it, and then the item prints on top of the raft. And that way, it's got a nice round base here. And then the item is printed stuck to that plastic. There's virtually no way it can turn over. So a brim may have worked, but I've never done a raft before. Now let's see how easy a raft is to get off. Wow, just pulls right off. Very small. Oops, there's a little left. There'll have to be a little trim done there with a X-Acto knife or something, because there's still just a little bit stuck there. I can't get it off. Don't have any fingernails. Still a really, really small contact patch. Looking at the bottom of this one did better. I guess it didn't move about as much, and the bottom looks better. The sides look really good. The upgrades to the printer just really have done well. That round swirling still there on 2 sides. Top looks really good. It's just really printing well right now. When the operator gives it the right commands. So now again, I have to reach in here with a piece of metal or something. I can't do it with my fingers this time. And break the little ball loose. Take it upstairs to Pam. I looked at this piece now, and you can see where a chunk came out of the raft. And that's what little bit I pulled off the bottom of the ball. But the rest of that chunk's what I'm going to have to take off the bottom of the ball. Not too bad cleanup. To be expected with plastic parts.